car is careening toward you, but wait, there's no driver inside. This driverless car has gone rogue. With no driver to stop it, you better think quickly. Your life depends on it. Here's how to survive driverless cars. Car crashes are a common occurrence. Over 1.35 million people worldwide die in car accidents every year, and crashes are the 8th leading cause of death around the world. Over 90% of all accidents are due to human error, and between 25 to 50% of all crashes occur when the driver becomes distracted. This is why the proponents of fully automatic cars argue that there are numerous benefits to having a computer that makes the driving decisions for you. Unfortunately, with the advent of new technology, there are always some hiccups, and in this case, possible fatalities. You do not want to be part of a statistic. How do you know your car's automation level? Why should you still avoid that drink? How can tape hack a driverless car's camera? Step 1. Hacking can happen. Remember, if you have a computerized car, it will be as vulnerable to hacking as any computer. Specialists from McAfee Threat Research in the United States were able to hack an autopilot mode in a self-driving Tesla by tampering with speed limit signs. The ingenious simplicity of the experiment involved changing the number on the signs from 56 kilometers per hour to 137 kilometers per hour with a piece of black tape. The camera's car read the tampered sign and immediately accelerated to this dangerous speed. So even if you don't have your hands on the wheel, keeping an eye on the signs is a good idea. Step 2. Road conditions. It's difficult for cars to react in unpredictable circumstances. In situations involving bad weather, roads riddled with potholes, or animals suddenly appearing in front of your vehicle, your instincts would immediately kick in and you would adapt to changes. You would start slowing down on icy roads or immediately hit the brakes to prevent colliding with the wildlife. These circumstances have a specific term: edge cases. For the car to predict the edge case the same way you would, its operating computer must contain information about every single possibility pertaining to road dangers. As of now, artificial intelligence does not have the same prowess to predict and react in a rapidly changing environment. And until it does, a person will need to be in full control of the car at all times. Step 3. Passenger safety. In April 2021, 2 people were in a Tesla vehicle that was in autopilot mode. The car did not have any human control, and no one was behind the wheel. While the vehicle was traveling at high speeds, it failed to negotiate a curve and went off the road. It crashed into a tree and burst into flames, claiming the lives of both passengers. Step 4. Accidents happen. The first thing to remember is that a driverless car should be treated the same way as any conventional vehicle. You should take all of the same precautions to help avoid an accident in the first place, such as not driving while intoxicated or tired. And the most basic of safety rules apply. Always wear your seatbelt. Step 5. Know your level. While we currently don't have any fully driverless cars available to buy, there are several that have automatic features. These cars are given rankings from level 0 to level 5. At level 0, the driver is responsible for the entire driving process. Level 1 adds an advanced driving assistance system that can help with braking and steering. Level 2 means the vehicle can control steering, accelerating, and braking at the same time. But the driver is in charge of monitoring the environment. Level 3 is conditional automation, where the vehicle can drive independently only under certain conditions. The human driver must still be ready to take control at any point in time. A Level 4 vehicle will drive completely on its own in most circumstances and environmental conditions, allowing the driver to relax behind the wheel. Most cars that have some self-driving features today are Level 2 vehicles, meaning that the driver still needs to keep a close eye on everything. With hands on the wheel and a foot on the gas or brake pedal, you may not need to worry about a driverless car running you over yet. But how could some loose items become deadly projectiles in a car accident? We have the answer right here on the next How to Survive.